Welcome to the National Weather Service weekly weather briefing for Thursday, December 5th, 2013. Through Monday night, we will remain in this wet pattern with scattered showers on and off. Overall, the severe threat is low. However, there is a chance of severe storms across northwest Georgia tonight and again Friday afternoon. The main threats are damaging wind and isolated tornadoes. The cold air behind this wet period should move in after the precipitation exits, but we'll discuss this more a little bit later. Finally, the rain will diminish on Tuesday and will be dry for Wednesday. Warm, moist air is being pumped into Georgia from the Gulf of Mexico ahead of a cold front. Luckily, we will not be dealing with the ice storm event that folks in the middle part of the country will be affected by. With this setup, though, our instability and shear values are decent enough for the chance of severe weather tonight and again Friday afternoon. So let's take a closer look at that. The most likely location for severe weather tonight will be across northwest Georgia, generally north and west of a Rome to Blairsville line. The rest of the area will likely just see rain. Threat-wise, both damaging wind and isolated tornadoes are possible. Scattered rain will continue tonight and actually through Monday night. Focusing on the timing of the severe weather for tonight, though, the most likely timing of the better chances of isolated severe storms will be from 6 p.m. this evening through 3 a.m. Friday morning. The severe threat exists again on Friday as the cold front moves into the state. The isolated severe threat expands a little further southward into the Atlanta metro area and is mainly north and west of a line from LaGrange to Atlanta to Athens. The threats will again be damaging wind and an isolated tornado, but based on the forecast parameters, the threat for Friday afternoon looks to be lower than the severe threat for tonight. Noon to 6 p.m. Friday appears to be the most likely timing for a severe storm. Now that we've looked at the severe potential, let's delve into the moisture and rainfall for the next few days. This precipitable water map shows that we have unseasonably high amounts of total moisture in the atmosphere tonight. One model is forecasting 1.63 inches for precipitable water tonight for Rome, whereas the record is near 1.65 inches. This basically boils down to we have plenty of moisture in the atmosphere for significant rainfall amounts. For Thursday through Friday night, 1 to 3 inches of rain is expected across North Georgia, with less than 1 inch forecast across Central Georgia. Isolated minor river flooding is possible across North Georgia with the higher rainfall amounts, mainly in the yellow shaded area on the map. For Saturday and Sunday, instability is lacking, and thus no thunderstorms are forecast for that time period. We will remain in a wet pattern, though, with a wedge building in place. That will help to keep us cool and reinforce the clouds already in place. By Sunday night, though, another front and surface disturbance will approach Georgia and bring back the chance of thunderstorms. There is limited instability and shear Sunday night into Monday, and thus the severe threat is low, although not negligible. The threat is lower than what the parameters are showing for tonight and Friday afternoon. We already looked at rainfall totals for today through Friday night, but here's a look at the totals Saturday through Monday night. This graphic looks fairly similar, except the 2-inch rainfall values are spread further south into the northern portions of the Atlanta metro area. During the Saturday to Monday night time frame, another 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible across North Georgia, with less than an inch expected across Central Georgia. Isolated minor river flooding remains a possibility across North Georgia. So let's add the rainfall amounts together. This graphic shows the rainfall totals for today through Monday night. North Georgia could see 2 to 6 inches of rain across the 5-day period, while only a half inch to 2 inches are possible across Central Georgia. With these higher rainfall amounts across North Georgia, we'll have to monitor the situation closely and may need to issue a flood watch for portions of North Georgia. At the end of this rain event, colder air will filter into the area, and you can see that some of the low temperatures Tuesday morning will dip down to freezing. The rain should move out before this colder air moves in. However, if the rain is slower to move out or the colder temperatures move in sooner, then some winter precipitation will be possible early Tuesday morning across northwest Georgia. The rain will finally diminish on Tuesday across the area. Here's a summary of what we are expecting over the next week. Scattered rain will continue to persist through Monday night. However, there is an isolated threat of severe storms tonight and again Friday afternoon. The threat tonight appears to be slightly higher than Friday afternoon. The threat during both of these time periods will be damaging wind and isolated tornadoes. Not only does the chance of severe weather exist tonight and Friday afternoon, but we will have to monitor rainfall closely with the potential of 2 to 6 inches of rain across North Georgia through Monday night. You can find out the latest information and forecast by visiting our website at weather.gov/Atlanta.